GPSMyCity gave us a 3-year membership to try out their guided tour, and we want to give you one too, so watch to the end. We used our new membership in St. Louis. Last year we visited the Gateway Arch, so this year we explored the town. The app navigated us around, and the narration taught us about the history and culture of this amazing town. We found places we never would have ventured into. You can download the app and use it for free to find ideas or get a membership to use the pre-made tours. And for the year, it's less than you'd pay for one person on a guided tour. For links to the website and places we explored, check out July 28th blog.
So GPS My City was good enough to give us 3 one-year memberships to give away, and we want to give those to you. So you have 3 different ways you can enter, or you can choose just one, and we'll do a drawing at the end of the week and choose a winner and contact you on how to do that. So here's what you need to know to enter. On YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, all you'll need to do is like this video, comment with what location you want to use your GPS My City app in, and then make sure that you are subscribed or following along on that platform, and we'll choose that winner. When we contact you, we will direct message you, or if it's on YouTube, we'll try to contact you that way. But we will only need your email address so that we can pass that on to GPS My City, and then they'll get in touch with you to do the rest. So if anybody's asking you for any other personal information, it's not us. Don't fall for it. So good luck. Don't forget to sign up to win, and we'll see you out there.